Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a verification command with the Roblox. So it's going to prompt you to set your blurb or status on your Roblox profile to a specific sentence or numbers. Preferably not numbers, because that may get censored if your account is under 13 years old. So I usually just set it as a string, a sentence, and it has worked for all the time. And you can also use emojis, that would also work fine. So I've gone ahead and created a Discord bot, as you can see here, and I'll just go ahead and copy the token. So the first thing you want to do is go to discord.com/developers/applications and create a new application and add bot. Here you go to bot and click add bot. After that is done, you can just make sure you have Node.js installed. I usually use the LTS version. You can use the current if you like. Also make sure you install Discord.js, which we're going to use do later, but make sure you're familiar with the docs. It will help you a lot when you do Discord bots. And also, just a recommendation, this is not necessary for you to make a bot, but I will use it in this video. It's called Slappy. It's an npm module. It basically just helps you with your project. It sets up your projects and allows you to generate commands and events easily. So I'll head over to terminal, and I will just make a new Slappy new. Well, okay, I'll just, what did I do? Okay, I'll restart just because that happened. Terminal. I'll do Slappy new. I'll do Discord bot. Choose JavaScript, and it will initialize npm, and it will install Discord.js for you and generate the entire project. And then you'll have to enter your token, and I already copied it. I'll do a hyphen just for this prefix, and I'll just sit myself a little better in my chair. So what we're going to do now is code out, and I will just open this. I'll open the. Actually, you have to close that. You have to cd Discord bots, and then code out. So we're here, and I will go. You see here, you can go here, and to start the bot, you can just do npm run dev. And when you go to your bot, actually I have not invited it yet, so I'll just go ahead and choose bot for the scope and give it administrator permissions. I'll pick a server. What do I have? Bot playground. Yeah, sure. Do that. And I'm not a bot myself, so I have to verify that. And now I have the bot in there. So next we're going to go back into here, and we will do, and also I didn't check, but it's online too. And next, so what we're going to do is we're going to generate a new, so just do control C and choose yes, Y, then Slappy gen command. So we're generating a command with Slappy. Enter the name of the command. We're going to do verify, category is verification for me. You can choose any. So we're going to get started now. So I already explained how it will work, but make sure you use async here. Add async here. You can also, if you want to add aliases, you can put those in here. So like v in this array here. So to test this, we can just, I'll use the terminal now for this. Run it. And to test it, we'll do prefix and then test. And it test command works. So, and also verify. I forgot verify. So, we'll start off by making a function. And we're going to call this send verification message. And why we're going to use this is because we're going to use this function every time we want to send a new message. A new message in the verification process. And we're going to pass in title, description, and color. So we can use this and open it up. And then we're going to do an embed, so const embed new Discord. Also, make sure you import Discord in here. Discord.js. So new discord.message embed. Set the author, actually, set author. Almost forgot that. Verification. You can also, if you are doing this for a Roblox game or group or something, you can make it my game, like your game name here, so it looks good. Set title. We're going to set this as title, which we pass in here. And then set description. Description is description. And set color is color. Set footer. And we're going to do this prompt. We'll cancel in 2 minutes. Set timestamp. And message.channel.send embed. And I do Shift Alt F to format it. So we have this function done. What we're going to do next is we're going to start the verification process. So message.channel.send, we're going to send a message saying starting verification. We can do process actually. And then we're going to make a parameter, or what am I saying? Parameter, not parameter. We're just going to call this edited MSG. And open this up with an arrow function. And we're going to do edited MSG dot edit. And then we're going to do awaiting prompt. Then we're going to do edited MSG dot delete. So what this does is this message here is the edited MSG. So then we're editing this message to awaiting prompt, and then we're deleting the message. After that, we're going to make the thing that the user has to set as their status or blurb. So what we're going to do for that is we're going to make a function called generate. We can do. And no parameters for this one, and just open it up. And we're doing let text equals just a string. Let's random stuff. And we're going to just make some random words or random emojis, your choice really. So I'll just do art and sleep, or add, split, I don't know, or use. Just some random words, and do this for some time. You can do like hand and plant, or math and color. I usually just do 3 of those, or is full and fresh, I don't know. Just put some random words in there. I usually use or and to separate the words. I just like how it looks. Inspired by Blockslink, I guess. I like that bot. It's what inspired me. So we're going to do text plus minus, plus equals, random stuff, math, and then we're going to get one of them random from this array. So we're going to do math.floor, math.random times random stuff.length, and return text. And that's the function. So now we're going to get the user's Roblox username. So we're going to make a filter. We're going to do this by using a collector, a message collector. So we're making a filter for this, and we're doing m.author.id triple equals message.author.id. We're then going to make the collector message.channel.create message collector. We're going to use the filter, and we're going to do max 1. So we're only getting one message. Max matches is 1. Time is whatever if you put 2 minutes, then it's 120,000. So 120 seconds times 1,000, because it's milliseconds. Then we're going to do errors, and then time, I guess. And I formatted it. Then we're going to do another embed, const embed, embed, small, lowercase, I mean. New discord.message embed, and set the title as my game verification. Set description as I have an extension to my Visual Studio Code called emoji, so I can just do Control-Shift-P and then choose emoji, insert emoji. You can get it from some website like Get-Emoji or Emojipedia. So we're going to do question mark, and then what is your Roblox username? Set color blue. Set footer, and then this prompt will cancel in 2 minutes, and set the timestamp just so it looks nice. Message.channel.send embed. And after this we're going to do collector.on, and when it collects something, we're going to do m, then if m.content.lowercase, 2 lowercase, is equal to cancel. Then we're going to send verification message, and do prompt. So this is the title. title. How am I speaking? Okay. And then we're going to set the description, and that will be cancelled. The verification prompt, and the color will be red. It will return. So now we're actually going to get the user's ID that they inputted. And to do this, we're going to use a module, an npm module called noblocks.js. So we're going to install this module now. npm I noblocks.js. Okay, what happened here? What? This is not what it's called. Noblocks.js. I'll just double check this. What is this? Is this... No. I'll just go to npmjs.com and search for noblocks.js. Here. Yeah. So. Oh, I forgot this. npm it. We'll do npm node.js. Node.js? What? Noblocks.js minus save. And if this works, let's see. Yeah, it works. So make sure you do minus save in the end here. I missed that completely. So we're going to use this module and to basically fetch the data from Roblox, their blurb, their status, and their user ID. So we're going to get there. To get there, actually we have to define noblocks first. Require noblocks.js, and we have to get their ID. So get ID from username, m.content, and then when we have this, we're going to then found user, and set the we're going to set a variable called user ID to found user, and then const string. A string is the variable which will contain the generate the random this thing here, one of these. And so after this, we're going to just check. Actually, we're going to send the verification message and say hello, hello m.content. Actually, I'll just do this here. Hello m.content, and then we're going to do to verify that you own this account. Please put this in your Roblox blurb or status. and to change this. And then we're going to do string. Actually, we'll just do this so it's formatted. And then put that. And when you have completed this, say done. If you wish to cancel the verification process, say cancel. And we're going to make another collector 2. It's message.channel. Create message collector. We're going to pass in the same filter as before, and we're going to do max 1 max matches 1 and time 12000, and errors is time. So collector 2.on, and we're going to do this one. It collects something, and we're going to do an async error function, and we're going to do mag. Actually, we can do MSG. What did I do wrong here? No, okay, I just had to finish typing. If msg dot content dot to lowercase dot includes, actually, or do equals done. And this and sign and msg and msg.author.id is equals to message.author.id. Then we're going to set timeouts. Actually, I'm going to do this, and we're going to set the timeout to 5,000. And we're going to make this a function too. So we're going to Roblox get status user ID dot then async blurb status, and we're going to get the Roblox get blurb. So we're going to get the blurb of user ID, and then async blurb, and then we're going to check if status dot includes a string. What is wrong here? No. Okay, so this is opening here. This is opening here. Okay. Or blurb dot includes string. Then we're going to message 1. Actually, what we're going to do first is I was just thinking there for a second. We're going to do we're going to do that it sends it's going to send a message that says searching for searching for a string on m.content, and then async message 1, and open this up and close. Do this on the other side of this one. And what happened here? Oh, just remove this and put it over here too. On this, then we're going to do this at timeout and get the blurb. And if it, here's what I did. If message 1 dot edit, so it's editing this message here, and edits it to you are now verified as m.content, and we're going to do this just to make it look nice because that's cool. And then we're going to do please wait for your rows, and then it's going to do let verified row. So we're going to get the verified row, and it's going to message guild rows catch get find actually. And then it's going to be row dot find the row with the name of verified, and make sure this role exists. So make sure there's a role called verified. And then it's going to await message.member.rows add verified role, and then it's going to await message.member.set nickname to m.content. And remember, m.content is the nickname that we got earlier. So message1.edit, you are now verified as m.content, and we're going to format it the same as above so it's consistent. And that will be it for this. And we're going to do else on this. So if it doesn't, if the user has not set their status or blurb to what we ask them to, then it's going to do wait. So we're just going to send a message. So we're going to just say, actually, we need to do this. I couldn't find the text in your status or blurb. Please try again. And that'll be it, I think. And also, what we're going to do is on this is done. If this is done, then it's doing this, but else we're going to do else if what? Else if, oh right, forgot. Else if msg.content.mgs, just looked up here, msg.content.to lowercase equals cancel and author.id is equal to message.author.id. Then it's going to send verification message. What happens here? No. What's going on here? Okay, so this one. Where in the world? Where does this cancel? This is the first one, so should be this one. Yeah, right. So basically, no, because that would be this one, right? So the next one, this one should just be removed. Okay. Wait, what? No. Problems. Here. Why is that a problem? Oh. Where does this open? Yeah, we need another one here. Right? So this opens this one. This one opens this one. This one is here. So this one needs this one. Yeah, it just needs that. To send verification message, prompt cancelled the verification prompt, and we're going to do red for the color, and that should be it. So it's restarting because we made some changes, and we're going to test it out. So I'll just go on Roblox here, and I'll go on groups. Actually, not groups. Profile here. So, you can see that I will do verify, and it will ask me to it will ask me for my Roblox username. I will put it in here. Maybe I should add for this one. Oh yeah, I forgot to add a color. So we'll do blue. And it's starting. Verify. And it's blue. So refuse to read or is fresh. We'll do this here. And I'll say done. And it gave an error. Right? Yeah, I did. Supplied rows is not a row. Okay, wait. So it's a so I'll just do a wait. Okay. Verify. I'll just do this and then done. Okay, so what's the row it has problems with? Oh wait, no, it's another row now. 70. This row. Oh yeah, because I don't have a row called verify. I'll just create a row called verified. And verify again. And it's the same, yeah, it's the same. Done. missing permissions. How is it missing permissions? Right, yeah, because I'm the owner of the server, so it can't give me the role. Well, how am I supposed to show that it actually works then? You'll basically just have to trust me that this is working. It's working. It's just missing permissions. You can't give me the role, so I can't actually show you that it works. But it should work just fine. If you have any questions, or if it doesn't work, if you have any errors, just come into my Discord server. The link will be in the description, and we'll be happy to help you. If this tutorial helped you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video in this series. Have a good one. Bye.